stocks. U.S. stocks little change today, even after Federal Reserve Chief Ben Bernanke's appearance on CBS's 60 Minutes last night. Courtney Donohoe has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
Hey there, Pimm. Happy Monday. Well, we saw a push-pull with stocks to start off this Monday, but the S&P and Dow managing to finish the day slightly lower. Now, what weighed on stocks out of the gate? Comments from Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke on the economy. Bernanke says the central bank could end up expanding its $600 billion bond buying program, so more Fed easing may be in the works. He was interviewed on 60 Minutes this past weekend, and he said, "We're not very far from the level where the economy is not self-sustaining. We're on the border." He also said that the rate that we're going could be 4 to 5 years before we're back to a more normal unemployment rate of about 5 to 6%. So the central bank may need to do more to get us back on track. But the best performer today in the S&P was Sprint. Sprint will spend as much as $5 billion to upgrade its network in the next 3 to 5 years. Now, the company is saying that it expects to save at least $10 billion in 7 years because of the decreases in energy costs, roaming expenses, and the number of cell sites, Pimm.
Now, Courtney, PFIZER, the pharmaceutical company, in the news today with a management shakeup. What are the details and what's happening with the company's stock?
Yeah, big shakeup. Now, the drug maker naming Ian Reed CEO of the company. He replaces Jeffrey Kindler, who retired, saying he needed to, quote, recharge his batteries after a period of extremely demanding time for him personally. But we're just learning that Kindler's refusal to name an operations chief in response to a push from senior managers cost him his job. That's according to people familiar. And the person also said that in recent months, Kindler lost the support of executives frustrated with his management style. And they said that Kindler was too focused on smaller matters and micromanaging his execs, Pimm.
Now, Courtney, one stock moving higher today, Abercrombie & Fitch. It was put on the conviction buy list over at Goldman Sachs. What's the reason for their recent success? Have you been buying a lot of things at Abercrombie & Fitch?
No, that's a little too young for me. But retail was in focus today at Goldman, and they're seeing major 2011 upside for Abercrombie and also American Eagle. That's the teen space, but those teen retailers, they focus on those basics, not as much on the trendy clothes. Goldman putting Abercrombie on the conviction buy list, and American Eagle upgraded to buy from neutral. And they point out that Abercrombie and American Eagle struggled during times of more eclectic or dressy fashion. And over the past 3.5 years, we've been seeing trends like dresses and skinny jeans for girls, and that definitely hurt those companies. But Goldman says the cycle may be moving back toward the preppy and the casual looks, and that benefits those two companies. Now, another reason they said that teen unemployment seems to be turning a corner, improving over the last 3 months. But I kind of dress a little bit flashy there, Pimm, so I don't know. The preppy look's not really for me.
Oh, I don't know. I could see you at Abercrombie & Fitch or even Hollister. I want to thank you very much, Courtney Donohoe, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.